Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today I have my first ever Mercari buy. Now, Mercari is kind of like a resale site, like Poshmark. You find new products on there, but be careful, some stuff is used. Yes, even makeup. So you have to look and see in the certain section that tells you what's been used, what's not used. It'll tell you, you know, new, like new, that kind of stuff. Like eBay used to be. You know, I don't know. Does anybody still shop at eBay? I was going to log in, and I'm having trouble logging in through my laptop. Anyway, but you can find makeup on there. You can find clothes on there, electronics, all kinds of different stuff. If I have any links or anything, I will put them below in a description of the products. I'm just going to look at the products because, yeah, I can't log into it without my phone, and my phone is recording me right now. Miss Cali Cat, everybody. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Cali Cat. Say hi. She's like, no. So, anyway, I reached out to the lady. She had several things that I liked. And I thought, well, maybe she'll bundle it for me. And she did. I gave her a list of all the products that I would like. And that way I didn't have to pay separate shipping on each individual product. So that was great. I even got a discount on them. So let me pull out. Look how well she wrapped everything. Everything is individually wrapped in bubble wrap and in a bubble bag. So we're going to open them up and see what I got. I'm so excited, y'all. So this is Naked Cosmetics. If it's not naked, it's not natural. I don't remember. Special edition 4-count pigment collection. And it looks like it's never been opened. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Blushing Bronze, Naked Cosmetics Pigment. Y'all, I don't even know what this is, and I'm excited about it. Because you know me, I don't remember anything right after, and I was coming through notes and stuff, and then I just decided I wanted to film. Alright, so I've got it all separated, and here are the 4 pigments. You've got Rainforest, Blushing Bronze, Sierra Nevada, and two blushing bronze? No, they're not the same. They both say blushing bronze. It's just a different pigment. One is BB/03, one is BB/05. Let me read on this some more. Naked Cosmetics are the purest, most natural makeup that exists. Made of 100% oxidized mica, Naked Cosmetics do not contain talc, oil, wax, or other fillers that can be harmful to your skin. It is 100% color to give you a pure product that is non-allergenic, non-perishable, and simply beautiful. It is not naked. If it's not naked, it's not natural. Naked Cosmetics. It says non-perishable, but then it says 36 months that it expires. These are powders. They're pure powder. I'm scared I'm gonna spill it, but I'm gonna take the powder off the top so we can see it. Oh, that is pretty. I hope y'all can see it. That's lovely. Just a nice little, man, that could be a highlighter. Nobody sneeze, okay? Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, it's just a shimmery. Oh, look at that. And y'all, these are buildable. So pretty. Fun with these. Oh my goodness, look at that. These are lovely. So Rainforest, blushing bronze. The other blushing bronze, I don't get that. And Sierra Nevada. Very cool. So let's open the next thing. It's the big one. Okay, I actually bought this for somebody else. It's not gonna be, I know I said I was gonna try to do better and do a little more of the testing out, but I did buy this for someone else. So I'm not gonna open it. But this is the Murad Hydrating Toner. And it says, ultra hydrating, alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follows. Use AM PM, hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from your face, close your eyes and mist evenly onto skin. After cleansing, then apply your Murad treatment to damp skin. So this is cool. I hope my friend that I'm getting it for likes it. I really like to try it myself, but it was specifically bought for someone else. I'll try to put the prices and everything down below, but like I said, I have to look that up on my phone, which is busy right now. So, okay, these are the reason I actually went on there. And I was looking for these specifically. One, actually, I saw Kat opens up. I saw Kat wear this, and she said what it was, and I had to go look it up and try it for myself. These are the Everlasting Glimmer Veil by Kat Von D. They're liquid lipsticks. She had it in Televator and Razzle. Now, when we were doing Kat, it was her live birthday event we were doing for her. She said it was the purple one. Well, I grabbed two because that's kind of a pinky purple, and I wasn't exactly sure which one it was, and I loved it so much on her, so I just grabbed two. And you know me, I am a sucker for some lipstick. So let's look at the Razzle first. I don't think it was anywhere else, y'all. I looked at, you know, Sephora, Ulta, all those stores, and all I could find it was on Mercari. So, isn't it pretty? Pretty packaging. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Man, I should have had that for Halloween. This is so pretty. I mean, it is metallic shiny. That would be great for just a little center highlight. Don't know that I love the way it tastes. I got it in my mouth. All right, well, look at the next one. And this is Televator. Televator. I love how the writing is in the color. Look at how bright that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the doe foot. Look at that, y'all. I'm in sparkly heaven. Sparkly heaven. That's so cool. I didn't put as much on with that one, but yeah. Super cool. Wish I had thought to get a paper towel. But wait, there's more. So I also got Hollywood Lips by Charlotte Tilbury. We love Charlotte Tilbury. I've been seeing a lot of people, you know, they talk about Pillow Talk and they do talk about Hollywood Lips. And what is this one? This is a Luminesce Antimatter lipstick. Now, I like this brand on contour. And so I thought I would try a lipstick. And this color is Midnight. I do want, before I open this Charlotte Tilbury, I want to look at one thing. Now, hang on a second. Y'all, I went and I got my little Minion wet wipes. It's not coming off. I ain't even tried to wipe it off the back of my hand yet, but it's not coming off my fingers. My goodness, that stuff is staining. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? And when I got up, I knocked my laptop and all the makeup down on the floor. It's not me if I don't drop something. I had to make sure, I've got a couple Charlotte Tilburys, but I wanted to make sure that I did not have this one before I opened it up because, you know, I'd show you the one that was already open. But this is Charlotte Darling Hollywood Lips, and I don't have this one. I've got Romantic Kiss and I've got Pillow Talk, but I do not have this one. So we're gonna open it up and see, because we love some Charlotte Tilbury. Look at prettiness. Oh, look at the prettiness of it. Very interesting doe foot here. Kind of goopy. All right, let's see. Very matte, very neutral. Not too bad. I mean, good fall color. I kind of like it. I wasn't sure at first. You know, I'm not a big matte person. What I like to do is get the mattes, and that way if I want them to be matte, they'll be matte. If not, I can put a little gloss or something over the top of them. It makes it more versatile, and I can wear it the way I want to. And also great for these are just toning down colors like this if I need to tone them down. Love it. And let's look at this one. What was it called? Midnight? What is it, Kelly? Ooh. That was Bonnie that just shook the whole house. Miss Bonnie Faye, everybody. All right, let's try this red. You know, I'm getting big on the reds. I got this toned down, the reds. Y'all, I've just gone crazy for them. But I just wanted to try this formula. And of course, I will eventually get to making videos that are individually me just putting these lipstick on. They're little shorts. They're not reels, but just little short videos. Because I can't do them little reels. I'm just not fast enough. But like I said, you will get to see all this stuff on my lips. Just keep an eye out for them. I try to post one of them little short ones like every other day. Sometimes if they're, you know, it just goes to, I'm so sorry, did that touch you? But so cool, so pretty, lots of shimmery, lots of nice. Let me know what you think of my Mercari haul. Would you like to see more of these things? I know that sometimes they do like bundles where you can just buy a bunch of makeup from people. And I'm kind of curious about them, but I'm a little scared too because I do worry about that used before makeup. I don't want to buy something and there's like, you know, barely anything left in it. But anyway, y'all comment below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Press the notification bell. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.